At some point in our lives, we all have seen a movie that deals with elements in space as well as black holes. If you are a sci-fi movie fan, you definitely must have seen the movie Interstellar and the black hole and wondered, what if we all are living in a black hole? Well, to your luck, that is exactly what we shall be looking into in today's video. So welcome to our channel and buckle up as we explore the mysterious secrets of the black hole. First up, what is a black hole? In simple terms, a black hole is a hole through which light cannot escape through due to the pull of gravity being so insanely strong. The gravity pull is so strong that all the matter is trapped in a small space. Many state that this happens when a star, may it be a big or small one, is dying. Due to the absence of light, it is often hard to see the black hole with the naked eye. But before we delve into the mysteries of the black hole, let us travel back in time for a quick minute and consider the time before the famous Big Bang occurred, which is around 13.8 billion years ago. Scientists, researchers, and experts believe that pre-Big Bang had all the mass and energy present in the universe compacted into a tiny speck that exploded to form a new universe. And this new universe exploded to form what we now know as the galaxy, the solar system, planets, and so on. Many scientists do not understand this concept as they feel that what happened before the Big Bang is beyond human comprehension. But back to the speck-like particle that created everything we currently know, there are quite a few many interesting theories behind that. One such theory includes believing that the speck was forged in the ultimate kiln and was exposed to the most extreme environment to ever exist, and all this took place inside a black hole. Another fascinating concept that is often spoken of is the concept of the multiverse. On hearing the term multiverse, your mind automatically must be wondering, what did Dr. Strange have to do with this? But no, we are talking about something that is more scientifically amazing than science fiction. The concept of the multiverse is pretty simple. Many scientists believe that there are multiple universes out there that are separated from each other. But this has remained unprovable so far, and this takes us back to the first theory we were talking about. Speaking of the first theory, till today we have everyone wondering where everything around us came from. After multiple successful and failed scientific theories, the theory of the Big Bang came about. Along with that, it was found out not so long ago that objects in the universe are moving away from each other at fast speeds. In short, this signifies that our universe is expanding and that there could be planets and galaxies much older than ours. This clearly signifies that a universe ages and evolves with time. This discovery was also accompanied by another discovery that showed the existence of a blackbody that runs on radiation, which led to the possibility of the Big Bang happening. Stephen Hawking is another man who conducted a lot of research about black holes, and he stated that every time a black hole was created in our universe, the chance of a baby universe arising was possible. If this is true, this could mean that the black hole is some sort of parent spawning baby universes from time to time. This brings us to talk about a certain feature of the black hole. This feature of the black hole is one of its main features, and it involves the existence of an event horizon. This means that out of every black hole, there is an event horizon that if any object passes through, will encounter gravitational effects. If the object moves fast enough, it may escape, collapsing into the black hole. But if the object crosses the horizon, it will be subsumed into the black hole's central singularity. The way spacetime functions is that it is curved inside the black hole, and that an object that falls through and crosses the horizon will help grow the black hole. Thus, for any body existing outside the event horizon, the black hole will appear as a mass that continues to grow in time. But this makes us wonder if we ourselves are living in a universe that is inside a black hole. And to do so, we shall have to consider a lot of factors, including factors such as dark matter, neutrinos, protons, neutrons, electrons, as well as every electromagnetic event that has occurred in our cosmic history. Additionally, we must also look into the gravitational waves that created an acceleration through the curved fabric of spacetime. The instruments that humans are in current possession of as we speak can detect space bodies up to 46 million light-years away. After studying this radius, many scientists believe that it was the collapse of a star in a 5D reality that created our universe, which could very much be in a black hole. Many scientists are trying to conduct studies on this through a different approach by using the concept of holography. Holography deals with the notion that gravitational physics in 1D of space, as well as time, is equivalent to non-gravitational physics in 1D smaller. This means that we could be existing in a smaller dimension as opposed to the more complex and advanced dimensions out there. A 5-dimensional universe is larger than ours, and if that star from that dimension could collapse, it would generate a black hole. So if we are truly living in a black hole, our universe must follow the Schwarzschild equation. The Schwarzschild equation simply states that the gravitational field out of a spherical mass, provided that the electric charge of mass, the universal cosmological constant, and the angular momentum are all zero. There are approximately 10 1 galaxies estimated to exist in our universe and around 10 1 2 stars in each galaxy. Each star is said to be around 2 × 10 3 kg in weight. It has also been discovered that the majority of the mass of the star comes from the star itself. With those numbers, the mass of the universe should be around 2 × 10 3 kg. So in trying to find the Schwarzschild radius, it was calculated that the radius of the black hole in the universe would be 36 billion light-years. Thus, we have no clue of what 95% of the universe is made up of. Many call the unknown part as dark matter energy. But other than that, no other logical and successful predictions have been made. If you are a black hole geek, you must have heard of the concept of new generation universes. In simple terms, if a massive star fails to balance its gravitational force, it bursts and leaves a black hole in its place. According to research, the black hole also consists of a singularity in its center. Yes, the Big Bang too has been anticipated to start from a singularity. So in short, the black hole can form different universes, and this concept is backed up by the laws of physics as well as quantum mechanical luck. But even after backing them up with logic, formulas, and numbers, many things still do not make sense. The concept of singularity on its own is very vast, and many do not comprehend it completely. In fact, to understand the concept of singularity, one must look into the concepts of quantum mechanics as well as general relativity to understand it to its full potential. The concept of general relativity has been derived based on the studies it conducted on large objects and their respective gravitational forces. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, deals with concepts to study very small objects. Thus, when these two concepts are brought together to understand the concept of singularity and the black hole, it makes a lot of sense. Singularity deals with high gravitational fields and small-sized objects, and combining these two theories is important and is yet to be done. According to studies, the universe in its infancy was smaller than the size of a proton, and as it kept growing it evolved. Changes made by quantum mechanics were small yet constant, and that's what has made the universe as it is today. It is also important to note that the uniform is not at all uniform and undergoes quantum fluctuation constantly. There are important constants that are present out there that play a huge role in the formation of black holes as well as universes. These constants include the electrical charge of the electron, the range, the force of the strong nuclear force, and the force of gravitation. For instance, if we were to imagine a universe that possesses strong gravitational forces, the stars will extinguish out faster due to the faster fuel and energy consumption that they are conditioned to. Moreover, these stars will face immense pressure in their nuclei, and the star will not shine. We still have a lot of research to conduct before we can be 100% sure whether we are living in a black hole or not. What are your thoughts on what we mentioned, and do you think we live in a black hole? Do drop your thoughts in the comments section under. With that, we come to the end of today's video and hope you had a good time with us. Do drop us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be updated with the latest news on our channel. See you soon.